The multi-template tracker, accessed from this trackers tab and the left-hand navigation panel, allows me to track multiple templates across the project in one view. So by clicking into the all templates section here, you'll see by default the tracker will load every single template across the entire project as well as every single location. But what I can do from here is I can completely customize the tracker for whatever view, system, package, or workflow that I want to track. So I could super easily use the system, stage, or discipline tags here to filter for specific templates. For instance, I could find all of my structure templates and track those really easily. But for this example, I want to create a rough-in pre-sheeting tracker. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on the templates filter and search for my rough-in ITPs. So electrical, mechanical, hydraulic, and my 2 fire ITPs. And then I also want to isolate the specific locations as well. So I know that my rough-in ITPs are only applicable to certain zone locations throughout the project. So I'm just going to search for zone. And then you can see I can use the select all feature as I hover over the specific levels to select all the sub-locations within those levels. Just going to stop at level 4. And then if I expand those locations, you'll see all of those templates across all of those different zones on the project. From here, what I can do as well is I can click on display options, and you can see by default, it will be sorted in order of company alphabetically, but I can click on this and then click custom order to rearrange the order that these templates are shown to match what's actually happening on site or whatever workflow that you want to track as well. You can also reduce the clutter in the first instance when you first load the tracker by clicking hide empty locations and hiding empty templates. What you can do as well is if you want to change it visually, you can show the progress as percentages, and as well as that, you can choose to include child visis. So by default, it will be showing you the status of the parent inspection, but including child visis will also show you the tasks and any sub-inspections included in that as well. So once I'm happy with everything, what I can do is I can actually click Save View and then save this tracker as a default view. So I'm going to call this pre-sheeting tracker. Click Save. And then you'll see if I click Switch View, I'll see template trackers that have been created by me and created by anyone else in my company. I can also favorite this to my sidebar and access it anywhere from anywhere else in the project as well, super easily. Another really handy thing you can do is export this view directly to Excel. So it's handy for sending off in meeting minutes, showing in subcontractor coordination meetings, things of that nature. So like the single template tracker, all of these cells are interactive and represent quality data as well. So if I click into this cell here, you'll see it takes me into the view of the inspection as well. I can see the status of each individual task, and I can actually click into the inspection, which will take me into the location page with that inspection opened up as well for me to actually complete that QA2. So you can see if I hover over the legend icon again, it will show me all the different statuses as well. So green for complete, light green for in progress, etc. You'll see that some of these cells also have red boxes. Those actually indicate that something is overdue as well. So you can filter for your overdue inspections as well from here. So a really powerful way of just basically tracking whatever you want in a fully customized order based on whatever workflow you want to track.